Well, changes are inevitable and it should be engulfed as soon as possible. So with that being said and done, let us see what kind of changes we can do to an object in Blender. So this is our default scene. For changes to happen, we need to go from object mode to edit mode. You can also use tab button on your keyboard to go from object mode to edit mode. And here we have vertex mode, edge mode, face mode. You can click 1, 2, 3 from the keyboard to access different modes like vertex mode, edge mode and face mode. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. And even if you forget it, no problem, just keep your mouse over it. It is going to show you what kind of button you need to click to get it activated. So with that being said and done, let us go to the face mode, and the next option will be extrude to cursor. Extrude to cursor is as simple as what it says. Let me first deselect everything. To deselect everything in Blender, we need to click Alt A. Alt A will deselect everything and A will select everything in that box. So Alt A, and I will only select one face. Before using this tool, I will go and select the select tool, select one of the faces and then come to cursor, extrude to cursor, and if I click anywhere in this 3D area, my extrude is going to happen towards that cursor. If I click over here, Blender will extrude towards that cursor, and this could be used to make some abstract kind of art. It's getting a bit too much abstract. Or you can even make something useful like Ctrl Z Z Z Z Z Z Z. Go in one of the axes, like I will go in X axis, and then click, and then click here, and then click here, 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 and here. This can also be a possibility that you can use. So that is how extrude to cursor is going to work. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe button, and if you want to support me wholeheartedly, you can go on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. Until then, try it, understand it and learn it. Until then, I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.